Shalom everybody! Thank you for clicking on this video. It is Yashana, your host of Brides of Israel. Today we're doing a DIY project and I want to show you how you can create these beautiful wall sconces from materials that I found and you can find from the Dollar Tree. If you're new to this channel, please consider becoming a subscriber. Also, give this video a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, share it on all your social media platforms. This helps my video get into the YouTube algorithm so more people like you who love to do DIYs and arts and crafts can find it and see it. Here you see all the materials that I'm using to create this beautiful wall sconce. I start by using 4 funnels that you can find at the Dollar Tree that most people use for checking their oils, filling the oil in their cars, or different other lubricants you need for your car. I also will be using these 2 serving utensils, and I will also use these strips of rhinestones, hot glue, and I'm also going to be using my soldering iron to help create this look. Anything I haven't mentioned will be listed in the description box below. I'm going to start by peeling off the labels and getting it prepped for the completion. Here is the finishing project. I tell you, these wall sconces were so easy and they are so beautiful. If you like these wall sconces, give this video a thumbs up and share it on all your social media platforms. Consider becoming a subscriber. And from my family to yours, here at the Brides of Israel, we bid you a shalom.